Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Sol Treadmill E5 error. Here you will see I am at the official website of Reddit where the people spread their opinion regarding this. Sol F80 E5 error. Communication disconnected resolution. Ensure that the cable connecting to the console and the controller are secure. If any of the cables/connectors appear loose, completely power off and unplug the treadmill before unplugging and reattaching the cable. So first thing you need to consider this. And here you will see the another people says that I had a similar issue when I moved my soul up a flight of stairs. The speed sensor got knocked out of the work and the treadmill won't run. If it is not properly aligned, I was able to take the cover off and play around with the sensor until I got it back into the right spot with the help of Google and a lot of swearing. Has worked fine ever since. So this is the second thing you need to consider. And here you will see the another people says that I believe E5 is a motor error code. It could be that your belt is slightly out of the line and putting a strain on the motor. Alternatively, the front roller may have shifted out of the line when it is moved. Try contacting Soul support team for better advice. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.